in addition to ordinary Portland cement. Ordinary Portland cement is ordinary type and generally used in construction. In addition to ordinary Portland cement, the following are the other important varieties of cement for the specific purpose. First is blast furnace cement. For this cement, the slag as obtained from blast furnace is used. The slag is a waste product in the manufacturing process of pig iron, and it contains the basic elements of cement, namely alumina, lime, and silica. Alumina, lime, and silica is the basic ingredients of cement. So these elements are also present in slag. So slag is waste product but useful for civil engineers. So alumina, lime, and silica, the clinkers of cement during the process of cement, the clinkers of cement are ground with about 60 to 65% of slag. The properties of this cement are more or less the same as those of ordinary cements. Its strength in early days is less, and hence it requires longer curing period. Its strength less, that is why curing period is longer for chemical action and for gain the strength. It proves to be economical because slag is used, which is a waste product is used in its manufacture. This cement is durable but not suitable for use in dry arid zones. Second is high alumina cement. According to Indian Standard 645 1989 code, this cement is produced by grinding clinkers formed by calcining bauxite and lime. Following are the advantage of high alumina cement. The initial setting time of this cement. And first of all, I would like to say one thing, that initial initial setting time of ordinary Portland cement is 30 minutes, and final setting time of ordinary Portland cement or OPC is 10 hours. And different types, different initial setting time and final setting time. So advantage of high alumina cement, the initial setting time of this cement is more than 3.5 hours, and final setting time is about 5 hours. It can stand high temperature. It evolves great heat during setting or during hydration of cement. It is therefore not affected by frost. Next advantage of high alumina cement, it resists the action of acids in a better way. Next, it sets quickly and attains higher ultimate strength in a short period. Its strength after 1 day is about 40 Newton per millimeter square, and that after 3 days is about 50 Newton per millimeter square. High alumina cement, some disadvantage of high alumina cement. First one is the extreme care is to be taken to see that it does not come in contact with even traces of lime or ordinary cement. It cannot be used in mass construction or construction in dams, as it evolves great heat and as it sets soon, and it is costly. Third one is low heat cement. According to Indian Standard 12600 1989 code, the considerable heat is produced during the setting action of cement. Heat produced in ordinary Portland cement during the setting action of cement. In order to reduce the amount of heat of ordinary cement, in order to reduce the amount of heat, this type of cement is used. It contains lower percentage of tricalcium aluminate C3A of about 5% and higher percentage of dicalcium silicate C2S of about 46%. Dicalcium silicate responsible for strength in longer period. This cement possesses less compressive strength. The initial setting time is about 1 hour and final setting time is about 10 hours. Final setting time same as ordinary cement, but initial setting time is about 1 hour. It is mainly used for mass concrete work because of low heat evolution. Fourth is pozzolana cement. According to Indian Standard 1489 1991 code, the pozzolana is a volcanic powder. It is found in Italy near Vesuvius. It resembles surkhi, which is prepared by burning bricks made from ordinary soils. Pozzolana is a siliceous material and used in ordinary cement, then makes a pozzolana cement. Following are the advantages of pozzolana cement. First is it attains compressive strength with age. It can resist action of sulfates. Sulfate attack is a big problem for structures, for concrete structures is a big problem. So this cement can resist action of sulfates. Sulfate attacks due to industrial pollution or acid rains. So it can resist action of sulfates. Next, it evolves less heat during setting. It is the big advantage of this cement. Next, it imparts higher degree of water tightness. Higher degree of water tightness due to small particle size of pozzolana material. Pozzolana material like fly ash, rice husk, or silica fume. Due to very particle size is very small, due to that higher degree of water tightness. It imparts plasticity and increased workability to the mortar and concrete prepared from it. Next is it is cheap due to use of pozzolana. It possesses higher tensile strength. And some disadvantage of pozzolana cement: its compressive strength in early days is less. Next, it possesses less resistance to the erosion and weathering action. Next cement is quick setting cement. This cement is produced by adding a small percentage of aluminum sulfate and by finely grinding the cement. The percentage of gypsum or calcium sulfate or retarder. Gypsum is a retarder. Gypsum works as a retarder in cement. Gypsum or retarder for setting action is also greatly reduced. The addition of aluminum sulfate and fineness of grinding are responsible for accelerating the setting action. Setting action of cement. The setting action of cement starts within 5 minutes after addition of water, and it becomes hard like stone in less than 30 minutes or so. Means initial setting time of this cement is 5 minutes and final setting time of this cement is 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, cement paste becomes hard like stone. The extreme care is to be taken when this cement is used as mixing and placing of concrete are to be completed in a very short period. This cement is used to lay concrete under static water or running water. For underwater construction, this cement is very useful, quick setting cement. Next, underwater, and next is sixth is rapid hardening cement. According to IS 8041 1990 code, the initial and final setting time of this cement are the same as those of ordinary Portland cement, but it attains high strength in early days. It contains high percentage of tricalcium silicate C3S to the extent of about 56%. This is due to the following facts. First, burning at high temperature, increased lime content in cement composition, and very fine grinding. This is the very important factor for strength of cement, fine grinding. Advantage of rapid hardening cement: as it sets rapidly, the construction work may be carried out speedily. The formwork of concrete, formwork or shuttering of concrete can be removed earlier. Cement gain strength earlier, then formwork of concrete can be removed earlier, and it can therefore be used frequently. So construction is economical. It obtains strength in a short period. The compressive strength at the end of one day is about 11.5 Newton per millimeter square, and that at the end of 3 days is about 21 Newton per millimeter square. Next is it is not damaged easily. Fifth advantage, the structural members constructed with this cement may be loaded earlier. Structure is ready to sail. This cement requires short period of curing. This is the very important factor. Cement gain strength in short time, then curing period is also short. Next is extra rapid hardening cement. This type of cement accelerate the setting and hardening process. It imparts strength of about 25% higher than that of rapid hardening cement at 1 or 2 days, about 10% to 20% higher at 7 days. The gain of strength disappears with the age, and at 90 days the strength of extra rapid hardening cement is not merely same as that of ordinary Portland cement. Extra rapid hardening cement is obtained by intergrinding calcium chloride with rapid hardening Portland cement. The normal addition of calcium chloride should not exceed in any case 2% by the weight of rapid hardening cement. Its specific gravity. Specific gravity is its specific surface area. The specific surface area of extra rapid hardening cement varies between 5,000 to 6,000 centimeters square per gram, and the size of the particle is less than 3 microns. This type of cement should be transported, placed, compacted, and finished within 20 minutes after mixing. Next is sulfate resisting cement. According to Indian Standard 12330 1998, ordinary Portland cement is susceptible to the attack of sulfate. Free calcium hydroxide and hydrate of calcium aluminum present in the set cement react with sulfate and form calcium sulfate and calcium aluminate respectively. The remedy of sulfate attack is sulfate resisting cement. It is a cement with low C3A content and comparatively lower C4AF, tetra calcium aluminum ferrite content. The percentage of C3A is kept below 5%. These are the some important type of cement other than ordinary Portland cement. Thank you.